After the nationwide vote, America has decided tonight leaving the competition will be Latoya London. Fantasia Barrino, you are safe. Congratulations, Fantasia. Latoya London, everybody. As always, we put together a little tape of your trip on American Idol. Take a look at this.
The experience of being on this show has just been great.
This is really what the search for a superstar is about to me. That was brilliant.
It was a superb, outstanding performance.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
I've gotten to meet so many different people, wonderful vocalists, such legendary performers. Just being able to work with them one-on-one.
Latoya, I would give a record contract to straight away. I thought she was impeccable. Like Latoya.
I've got to experience how it feels to be famous, cameras around you, pictures and autograph signings, and just all the things that you dream about doing as an entertainer, like I've gotten to experience through American Idol.
Latoya, you make me proud to be a songwriter. Great, just great.
You know, Latoya, when I saw you in the auditions, I didn't know I was going to be here, but I knew you were going to be there. So, congratulations.
To perform for 30 million people is just like a dream come true. American Idol made it happen instantly for me. I just got a chance for America to see me, and that's what I've always wanted.
You are, I think, the best singer in the competition. I really do believe that.
I'll never, ever forget this experience, and I'm so lucky to be here right now.
Latoya London. Man, we're going to miss you on this show.
I'm going to miss all of you too, but I'll see you again. I will see you again.
What would you like to say to your fans who have been supporting you week in and week out, Latoya?
I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for believing in me. And I just want to say I love you. I love you very much. Thank you.
Would you do us a favor personally? I loved it when you sang Don't Rain on My Parade. Would you sing us out tonight with that one?
Certainly.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time on the American Idol stage. Seacrest out, Latoya London on. Take it away.
To live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'm gonna march my band out. I'll beat my drum, yeah. And if I fell out, your turn at bat, sir. Hey, at least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. So what? I didn't make it. But whether I'm a rose of sheer perfection, the freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Ooh, love is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my bite, sir. So get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer, 'cause nobody